everyone, and today I'm going to talk about the Lama Fera because generally people ask about the Lama Fera, what is Lama Fera, and why we should learn. So already I have made a video about this, but here I am telling something more about Lama Fera, Yogmaya, and Ankara Halim. First of all, I want to tell you that Lama Fera belongs to Buddhist monarchies, and it is a beautiful art of healing. It can heal everything because it actually boosts the healing energies inside of our body more than million times. So it works like a magic in our system. Many times we have seen that people are suffering from long term diseases, but they find peace after Lama Fera. There is a myth that people die if you give healing to a dying person by Lama Fera, so that person will never stay alive for long. There, I want to tell you one thing that Lama Fera is the strongest healing power who works on your karmic section as well. So, if we see someone is dying and we find that this person is suffering badly, but he is not leaving this world, his soul is not ready to leave this world, that means this soul has deepest karmic contacts. So, to release these contracts, we do many things, we do prayers, we do everything. But during the Lord Buddha healing session, I mean to say Lama Fera, these karmas automatically transformed into pure positive light, and result is soul leave this world. It does not make any sense that Lama Fera killed someone, because during the Lama Fera, Lord Buddha come himself to heal the person. Lord Buddha comes himself to heal the person, and many people experienced that. Because when I learned the Lama Fera in the year 2016, on that time, I gave healing to a lady. She was sick and she had nature to fight with everyone, quarrelsome nature she had. As I gave her healing, so she saw that Lord Buddha is standing near to her. And in the end of this Lama Fera session, she said, Lord Buddha, take two peoples from my body. They all were humans, and as they touched to Lord Buddha, converted into light, and they went with Lord Buddha. It means she had a connection with spirits, and as Lord Buddha appeared, automatically she became free to these restless souls. After sometimes she feels better. Yes, as per the age she is not walking, but yes, she is better now. Now she is stable, not going back to her disease and quarrelsomeness in nature. This is the magic of Lama Fera. Lama Fera never kills anyone. Remember that. Because human can do the negative things, but Lord Buddha, a symbol of peace, unconditional love and compassion, can never. Another question is, if I am healing someone from Lama Fera, so we don't need to heal by another healing system, because Lama Fera is very strong, very powerful, and it is self-sufficient, and we should not heal by others. It will create a negative or malefic effect. So I want to tell you, if someone is receiving healing from Lama Fera, definitely it is sufficient and it is very powerful. But after that, if you are feeling, so you can use other healing systems as well. You can heal by Reiki, pranic healing, or magnified healing. Because Lama Fera or any energy which is positive can never clash each other. So trust me, guys, do not misguide yourself and your healing powers. Think positive and believe your work is really creating miracles. If I am learning Lama Fera, so I need a kit. You know, original kit is around 10 to 15,000 rupees. But you will see that presently in market we will find a kit of 3,000, 2,500, 2,700. Even you will find on Amazon. But actually these kits are fakes. They are not using the original sketchy mala. Original sketchy mala is very expensive, approx 10 to 15,000 minimum price. If you are talking about the burning sticks, fire sticks, or bands, definitely it needs. We need a crystal vent. This crystal vent has a clear quartz on the top, and inside this crystal vent we have 7 chakra crystals. It is made of copper and works beautifully. Do not confuse yourself by selenite crystal vent or other crystals vent. We need a copper made vent inside this 7 chakra crystals, and over the top a sharp clear quartz pointed crystal, and in the end of this vent a round shaped crystal. Do not put angels there because this is completely work of Lord Buddha. Next thing is this: do we need a complete kit? No, we don't need actually complete kit, because fire sticks we use to disconnect from earth, but one symbol of Lama Vera has the power to disconnect a person from earth automatically. We are using a mat during the healing session or chair. That too is a easy source to disconnect with the energy. Generally, people use a lower vibration energies, lower quality products, which actually interrupt the healing energy. So I suggest please do not buy these things. But if you are feeling that to do buy and show off, so please go ahead. I am not stopping you. But only we need a maroon dress or one crystal vent or Lama Fera vent to heal. We need dorje. No, we don't need dorje, because this is used in Buddhist temple during the worship of Lord Buddha. we Lamas hold it in their left hand when they are reciting the holy hymns of Lord Buddha. It keeps us positive, it energizes the positive energy with bell. Now people ask, we need a bell during Lama Fera. No, we don't need a bell during Lama Fera, because bell is a part of worship, it is not part of healing. In many cases, people are not so strong that they can bear a strong noise or strong sound. So I will suggest you, please do not chase the fancies. Please come work on ground level and understand the basic thing in any energy. I will come back with more queries related to the Lama Fera. Please send me, I will resolve them and I will create a video. Thank you very much. Lots of love.